Here we go with Scale Rails of Southwest Florida, Part 2. Let's get started right now. I'm Tom Kovichak, and this is Tom's Trains and Things. This channel was created to help other modelers who are in need of guidance in pursuing their dream of building a model railroad. And we have a lot of footage from Scale Rails of Southwest Florida. In fact, we're going to have a part 2 and a part 3 because there is so much footage that we have. This is the overall view of the lower level of the layout, and we started over on this area here, which is the staging area, and it runs under everything else under here. We started out our journey over on this end right here, and we flopped from the lower level. I got a few shots of the upper level, which I'll show you right here. I may have had a few shots here, and then this is the roundhouse that we got some shots at, and we did some shots down here also. Then we went over to the upper level in San Bernardino, and we took some shots over here. And this is basically the general area where we covered the upper level up to about right here, and then the lower level about the same thing. We took videos along here. Now that's all we concentrated on this video here. Now this right here is the peninsula that I showed you in the previous video. We had so much footage on here that we had to divide this up into 3 videos. So I hope you enjoy.
Well, all I have to do
Man, that's all different here.
I got trouble, so I got to pay attention to what's going on. I got to get Did you get in the back yet?
Oh, yeah, good. But you're not running anything over there.
No, I'm not running anything now at all.
Am I in your way, baby? This is the load that he lost the other end when I was filming over at the other end in the peninsula over there. Am I in your way, baby? This is the load that he lost the other end when I was filming over at the other end in the peninsula over there.
Wow. This is one of the old North and West ones that's up in the same place in the north. Yeah, see that was 3780. 3780.
That one's mine.
Yours, beautiful.
Yeah, sometimes I bring it in. I think the coaches are PATRON and the locomotive is I think the coaches are PATRON and the locomotive
What about downstairs? Oh, here comes daylight.
Right.
That's daylight.
You've been here before, haven't you?
I haven't actually seen this train run before, but I just know the daylight's You want to?
Everything's working on the control. RF control.
Hi, now, am I clear all the way around to anything? Okay, thank you.
Oh, look at that. Hey, Rob. I love this thing. Yeah, oh, yeah, I love that. Are you?
That have the cattle sounds on there?
We we've got a thing that you can fall out on, kind of like an elevated triangle.
We gotta get our turntable out.
We lost about half the mineral modules when we sold out.
Really?
I wasn't sure we were going to run this morning. Yeah,
This here's dispatcher right here. We have a dispatcher?
no. We have a dispatcher that will run off. Yeah. Although it really doesn't have much to do because we run the trailers all the time.
Okay.
And so, I mean, the guys follow that.
Yeah,
The only thing he
right.
really controls is the extras and what happened. Yeah, so. You're gonna need something to push it back.
Yeah, that's the one that we just did.
You can start off with a kit, but they're going to be finished at San Bernardino.
It's a nice, simple
Glad I advised them.
That's, I think it was supposed to be San Bernardino.
I don't like one out, so I don't know what. Booster? Yeah, now the flash is like that. I don't understand how you could be running one way and just switch the 2 to 5 8.
I would agree. I would agree.
It's pretty easy to do.
Put the LEDs on it with a couple of connectors and you're done.
Well, I mean, that's why I say
You can't do that.
we're getting ready to install the
I'll be there.
Okay, I'll let you go. Okay, thank you. I'll give a call in a couple weeks. Thank you, sir.
Lee couldn't figure it out.
I'll bring in my unit. Thank you.
So I guess that means a no, huh?
Wait a minute. It depends on where we're going.
Well, I don't know.
You see it.
You want to go to Nathan's? We haven't been there. We said we were going to go there sometime. Okay, that sounds good. Well, I guess that lady isn't coming back with her husband. She said, I'm not coming back here anymore.
Wait a minute, she was here.
Huh?
She was here.
Oh, she was here?
She was sitting right there.
Oh, really? The same one?
Yeah, I didn't want to bother you. I was going to say,
Oh, you should have said something.
That's the same
That was the
one.
same woman. She didn't say anything, did she?
No,
Oh, she
was
just.
in here.
Oh, she just kept quiet this time, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Lots of these trees.
I guess he told her a thing or two.
On the LED.
Okay.
I don't know whether it's with this turnout over here, but this turnout, there's me trouble when that, going to the
When you go in with that.
I hate it. I don't want to get a try and then
Yeah, no, well, that's okay.
Look at all these little
And there's cars in there. Actually, those are tractors.
Look at all the tractors out there.
Yeah.
Well, you come here and do it.
Yeah. Why is it?
What are you doing with the New Haven Railroad here? Barstow, California to Chicago?
Yeah. I don't think I like that.
This is a replica of what tunnel would get.
This area, the area where that is,
I'll just tell you the thing. I only know just
That's a lot of wheels.
You see, I'm videoing it.
Yeah, they have different lines.
It looks like it's actually real life.
It does.
Excuse me.
Okay, certainly. Okay, there you go. You don't have to get up on Dad's shoulders. You've got your scoop shoe.
I don't need to clean here. I got my
I'm used to it.
I can't program that to remember anything other than going. we can't, none of these on the top work, only the ones on the bottom.
No. Oh, so some these are short.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Big time.
First thing we'll do is verify that what I made. Well, that's right. That's right.
Which is that? Which is that? Way over here. The way he is the same mark.
I know it.
He took the camera.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the front half of the layout, and I'm going to have another one coming up, part 3, that's going to go around the back end of it, and hopefully that will be all of it.